Myself Ananya Ellu from class 9. Today I am here to explain about the concept of midpoint theorem, which helps to identify the lengths of sides of triangles and helps to angles of triangles. It is used in coordinate geometry and it is also useful in the fields of calculus and algebra.
Good morning everyone, my name is Purti. We celebrate National Mathematics Day on 22nd December every year in India.
My name is Varsha. Today we are celebrating National Mathematics Day.
Is magic, math is magic. Learning math is fun, learning math is fun. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Interesting topics. Math is very interesting. Math is very exacting. I love math.
ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರಂತೆ. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ, ನೀವೀಗ 10th ಅವ್ರು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಂತೆ 13ನೇ ವಯಸ್ಸಿದ್ದಾಗ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೊಬ್ಬ ಗಿಫ್ಟೆಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಅವರ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅವರ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ.
Answer is 8. Thank you. My name is Shreya. There is a one number, the square is 1. There is one number, the cube is one number. There is two numbers, the square.
Line, segment, parallel lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines. These are the types of triangles.
Project is about types of triangles. My topic is about acute angle. Acute angle is an angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 90. Let me show how it measures. It is the example of
Which measures exactly 10 integers. Let me show you how it measures.
Right angle is a type of angle which measures exactly 90. Acute angle is a type of angle which measures exactly. Today is a solid rectangular shape. Its surface is equal to 2LB plus BH cylinder. Cylinder has two surfaces and one third surface. Its surface area is equal to.
Today I am here to explain about the concept of midpoint theorem.
1 kg equal to 1000 grams.
ಬೇರೆ ಕೂಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದೆ.
Studying in 7B section.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ.
B is equals to N into A divided